Alright, this is my last queen. Let her out. Hopefully she'll be accepted. Alright, this is frustrating. Not really just this, but just losing queens. Alright, go down. Alright. Hopefully they'll accept her. I'm going to make sure I get the top back on here. I feel like I left the top on here though. I want to put a little bit of weight on there. Alright. So for the queen bank, I'm going to take that queen excluder out. There's a brood up in here. I'm going to let them have it. And I'm going to put another frame in here and just let these guys take care of that. No longer need the queen excluder to protect that queen. I'll take one of these frames here. I'm going to slide it down here. There's a brood on either side here. Alright. Since I took quite a bit of the population out, making these splits, so I'm going to leave those two good sheets of brood there to replace that. Those sheets of brood came from the cow pasture apiary. Alright, I'm going to put this super back on. And I'm not going to worry about the queen excluder. Take this. Feed it to the birds. I'm not sure how geese feel about that.